Hi everybody, this is Robin. I'm here with my daughter Taya and it's her birthday.
Yay!
So everybody say happy birthday to her in the comments. Okay, so I'm starting this tutorial with green, orange, white, and a few different pinks, and I'm working from this pink and this pink over here. I keep spraying this with water because this is a very, very watery design. And here we go. So I have the nail and I just have it painted with Peacefully Me by Dazzledry. Please tell Dazzledry that I'm shouting her out. Okay, so I'm going into the orange and green area right here. That makes an olive color, and you want an olive color to start with. Get it nice and thin and get it right on the tip of your brush. RobinMosesNailArt.com, the wand, and push, push, pull up, push, pull up. And if some of them are see-through, that's better. And then just little tiny leaves and little tiny stripes. And okay, so I got a comment the other day that I want to like talk about a little bit right now, is that they want to see a full tutorial. And I understand that, but I take my actual job. And my actual job usually has like 3 or 4 people here, and they're all ready to talk. And I have usually like a lot of people waiting. You know, there's like a whole environment beyond this camera, and so I tell everybody to be quiet, and then I film what I can, and I try to film the details that make the most sense, and then I try to put more details in the other tutorials that are like these. So this will be in the flowers playlist, but it also is like a spring and all this stuff. And so I implore you guys that are really trying to learn to go into those playlists and just watch all the videos that you really like to learn, and then I have little bits of information throughout, and I cover maybe the beginning, maybe the flower, maybe the ending, and just I give you a whole gambit of knowledge over time, because you can't learn all of this in one video. I wish you could, because then I would just have the one greatest video in the world. But unfortunately, problems happen, people happen, and we talk most of the time that the client is here, and then when I paint, I just paint the design. So we've been talking about stuff that's pretty deep, and then I push record and then do the painting. So that's why I don't like to tape the whole design. And if it gets to where I'm just painting for YouTube and I make enough money that way, you guys share and buy the brushes and stuff, I'll paint more, you know, but right now I rely on my clients. And so that's the answer to that question. So now I'm going into I sprayed, and I'm going into the pink. You're the only one who laughs with me. You're the only one who laughs with me. Yes, and you're the only one who watches some of my tutorials. Like all my other clients are kind of clueless to them. So I'm going in with the pink, and I'm just gonna dot through with the darker pink and then take the lighter pink and kind of pull it through. I would like to do this as a watercolor as well someday, but right now I just would like to do a real sweet and soft design that goes across this this nude color. Just very, very beautiful and floral for spring without too much pomp or circumstance. Now let me turn this light down just in case so you can see it better. And apologies for my hands. I just put a floor into a room, and so my hands are so sore, you guys. And yeah.
The floor looks great though.
Yeah. Ty is the first person to sleep in the room. We call it the haunted girl room. Or what's another good word for it?
Oh my gosh. Well, it's pink.
It's a pink
room. It has a lot of creepy dolls in it. I just think they're creepy, but I also like that they're creepy too.
Yeah,
so
she's
like
my baby. And we made the perfect room for a scary video game.
True.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Oh my god! Wait till I find the right curtains. So, anyways, so that is what. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. And because it's her birthday, we're gonna go to dinner.
Yes.
And drop off her brother back at school.
Right. He has some learning to do.
He has to get his learn on, and then we're gonna come back here and live it up.
Yeah, we're gonna hang out.
We are. We're gonna hang the heck out because I need to hang out with my baby. as you guys know I like to. And then it's gonna be my birthday soon. What are we gonna do, Tai Tai?
I think we're gonna get an Airbnb. I need to do more research. I haven't looked too much on it.
That's
but
okay.
I need to.
We will. Yeah. We'll do it.
Preferably
Reno.
But Reno.
I want to go.
Oh, that
mining.
was not going that. Oh, you did say that. I was.
Nobody believes me. How do I have to impress to believe me?
The first time we talked about it, you said you wanted to go to the beach, but I thought, oh, yeah, so like we can go to the beach, but you're always at the beach. So I was also thinking maybe like the forest.
Maybe.
But like you want to go to the hot desert, okay.
Yeah, I kind of want to opal and ruby mine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, kind of, maybe. I don't know. That, you know what? I always think about that, and then I'm like at the last minute, I'm like, well, maybe I don't, because it's gonna be hot. I'm gonna get burnt. Everybody get burnt. Nobody burns but me.
We'll get sun in and we'll put it in our hair and we'll come back blonde.
You're gonna come back blonde. I'm gonna come back bright red.
True.
With black roots.
Oh God.
I cannot have light hair, you guys. It's so funny. In fact, I should post a picture of that blonde hair. Oh my God,
love
it's
it.
so funny because
you love it. You should show them.
I know. Filters are so hilarious, you guys. Like, okay, so who would ever tell the truth about the way they looked with filters anymore? You know, like
Right.
seriously, like who would? Like, who does? Filters are great. They cover everything and they keep you highly anonymous.
I really don't like filters.
Well,
that's just me.
Well, they're fun to play with.
Oh, for sure.
Okay, well, that's what I'm talking about. I'm not talking about like to go to casting calls. Can you imagine having a casting call and then coming in and your filter doesn't look anything like you?
They're like, who are you?
You are.
You come with brown hair, but you put your filter of blonde hair. Like,
And
I wanted a blonde person.
And you're here why? For the modeling job? No, just kidding. That's how I feel.
Yeah.
Like I put this filter on, I'm like, oh, isn't that lady just so awesome? And then I look at my face after the filter. Like, oh,
You're like,
goodness.
oh. No.
Reality.
No.
Yeah, I'm just. But anyways, yeah. So I'm just talking and painting.
Talking and painting.
Talking and painting. So anyways, okay. So I wanted to show you. Let me zoom out a little bit. So when I'm done with something like this, okay, I look through the whole design and then I see areas where I would like to have a little bit more light. So I'll go boom, boom, boom. And then I'll look and then there'll be like a little piece here. And I just use my eyes to scan and see where I have more and less of. I want to have the most flowers in here and I want to have greenery in here. Most flowers in here, greenery in here. So I look right here and I want to put another leaf. It's a little darker, just tiny. Dot that leaf in.
Balance them out.
Yeah, and it just kind of balances, and that just takes a little just time and practice. And that's what I'm gonna do. I'll put a little bit of Reflex Gold by MAC in the middle of it. Just mix this with a little tiny bit of nail polish and put it in the middle. And then I'm gonna top coat it with a matte because her nails are completely natural, and matte polish lasts longer. When I mix this with the top coat, okay, here you guys, this is the tip. Okay, mix this with top polish. Then quickly brush over it thinly. Let me show you. I'm going to show this tip.
Okay.
I wasn't going to, but if you guys are working with natural nails, this is a great tip. So I'm going to pour some. I'm looking in the mirror. I mean in
the camera.
Yeah. Okay, that much. Just a tiny little. And then I have to use top coat. So I'm going to use a thin top coat. That I mix with. Where are they all? Huh.
Do you want this one?
What? No.
Oh.
I mean, I want one that dries.
Guys, I tried.
I want one that dries slower, Tai.
Oh, it's too fast. It's too fast. You need a slow dry.
And I was showing how clean my station was, and I've lost my top coats.
No. Let's see.
Is this on this? No. I'll find it. There. Oh, there they are. Okay. So I get these at the dollar store, and sometimes they're 2 for $1, which is cheaper than if you buy the empty bottles online. But I'm going to dump a little on here. And I was thinking of making like Robin Moses Franken polishes and giving them to the girls who host my collaborations every month. And then they do the the random acts of kindness to you guys. So if you guys join the collaborations on Instagram, they give away lots of gifts. I give them tons of stuff to give away to you guys. And it's not a prize, it's just random acts of kindness. If I see someone being extra kind, I will tell them, this person is being extra kind. Can you please give them and I don't do that often, I let them choose, but they have all the stuff. So join the collaborations and then get these. So anyways, I might give you guys, like, mix up some of this stuff. Anyway, okay, that being said, I'm gonna go through here with the gold glitter, right? Now, because she has free her nails, no tips or nothing, I'm gonna go over the tips with the glitter like this, just barely. That's gonna accent the whites of her nails, but also it'll keep her nail polish on way, way longer. Yes. And then I will just dip the brush through here and then just kind of through it. Let me do another one, because this is really close. And I'm in frame. And I have someone. Ty, you're such a good model. I miss you.
Aww. Thank you for doing my birthday nails.
You're welcome. There. That will just make sure that they last, because glitter on the tips really, really have a hard time. Like, you know how hard it is to take off glitter. So this just makes them last a little bit longer. I go like that. And it makes them eye-catching too. Yeah. It almost looks as if the tips are painted with glitter, but they're not. It's just an optical illusion. Then I'm gonna top coat them with a matte, and that's gonna give all this glitter like the coolest look. It's gonna look kind of like, you know, you guys are kind of hip to all the trends now, but it just gives it a different, beautiful look. I love matte polish. Oh, I missed one. Okay, all right, so I missed one. Let's do one up close, okay, Ty?
Oh, let's do it.
All right, so I have the more water.
I didn't realize, I didn't catch that you missed this one either.
Do you know why? Because we were talking.
We were so talking.
And I had to stop to film. And that's what I was trying to say. That's why I don't get to give a lot of full tutorials, is because I'm talking and it's deep, you know? Like, as a nail tech that has a clientele, you guys know it gets deep. And sometimes it's deep plus the shop is full. And so I would like to apologize for not going more in depth a lot, but my life is pretty busy. So, like that, and just put some little pinks. Pink. Okay, so that's too pink. Now I'm going to add the whites. So light pink, and then you'll see the boop boop and give it dimension. And you can dab them.
Love that.
Dab them. And then go in with the top coat one. Now see, that's already dried because it's so thin. I know, but it's thin, so it goes on very nice. But see, you need that thin tie, or else your nails will peel.
Yeah.
So there. Now we're going in. Go. Okay. Glitter, 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 glitter. Okay.
Ooh.
I'm gonna just glitter this, and this is for the girl who says, "Why don't I do the whole tutorial?" There we go. I'm gonna do it for you. Hey. When you think of it, just think you don't want too much weight on a natural nail. Just not too much weight on a natural nail.
Because then it'll just come up in all just one sheet, which we don't want.
Which happens all the time on Ty. Her nails are weird. So oily. Her nails and are just...
really had to prep them.
Oh my goodness. They're oily. They have a hard time lasting. And I always give her extra stuff to keep them good.
But they never look this nice. Like this like... Like, they're all the same length. They're all long right now.
They're gorgeous.
Aren't they? They are. Normally I have eczema on my hands that looks awful, but it's not too terribly bad right now.
Yeah, it looks nice. Okay, so I'm going to top coat these and let you see the end product. Where is it? Okay, and here is the end result of TyTy's birthday nails. Isn't that lovely?
So pretty.
So hopefully this starts out for a good year for TyTy. Just a
Yay.
big blooming flowers. Thumbs, please, like this. Everybody loves to see the thumbs. So, anyways, I hope you guys like this. This is just a fun, off-the-cuff tutorial, and everybody have a great. What? Easter. Today's Easter.
It is Easter.
Today's Easter, but everybody have a great week, and I'll see you back with more. Bye. Say bye, TyTy.
Bye.